GLLK right now currently at 0004. It's been a while since we've looked at this one. Gonna jump into it right now. 0004. There was news which Joe will talk about here in a moment. I do want to point out a lot of shares traded right now. 551 million shares traded right now at 0004, coming off that bottom of 0002. Over here, you guys had a big move from where is that going to be at the low of 0007 to the high of 0020. Big move right here with 537 million shares traded. Look at same amount of shares traded then. Now, not too much movement, but either way, we're going to continue to watch this one. A break of 006. 0006 would be a confirmation of a move, possible run off of that. But we need to break through that 20-day simple moving average to confirm. Not close yet to any sort of technical analysis alert. I'm just telling you guys on how I see the current chart and current setup. And then off of that, you guys are going to have 0009 is going to be resistance level, and then 0012 followed up. Off of that, it's going to be resistance levels. I know they're close together, but that's what happens when you're down here in the trips. Really, I mean, you guys aren't going to have too much support under this. But that buying, I mean, I don't know if there's just a lot of selling into the news or what the case might be, but that's a lot of shares to be traded and not much movement. So let's see if Joe can fill us in on what this news was about.
All right, so the news from today was Great Lakes Corp shareholder update. So Gold Lakes. Gold Lakes Corp, an exploration stage blue sky company that specializes in acquiring and developing mining assets, is excited that spring has arrived. And with the warmer weather, we will continue with phase 2 of the work program on the Big Monty property. Phase 2 of the exploration program will entail line cutting, geophysical work, assaying, and diamond drilling. We are looking forward to the summer and making new discoveries on the Big Monty property, also drafting the plans to start phase 1 on the Ponderosa property, stated Christopher Valos, CEO of Gold Lakes Corp. The Big Monty property consists of 72 mining claims units totaling 2,846 acres and is located in the prolific Abitibi Greenstone Belt region in the Fletcherville Township of Ontario, Canada. So the Big Monty property is near existing producing gold mines and borders property owned by Hart Gold Corp and St. Andrews Goldfields Limited, which was purchased by Kirkland Lake Gold Incorporated. The Ponderosa property consists of 329 claim units encompassing 13,008 acres and is located in the township of Fletcherville, Stoughton, and the Mistaking Islands of Ontario, Canada. Gold Lakes Corporation's strategy is to identify and acquire prospective properties and well-mineralized mining areas and advancing these properties towards making new discoveries within the Abitibi Greenstone Belt. All current and potential shareholders are encouraged to download the investor brief, and they have the link to it right in this press release right there that you'll see. So you just go to that board and you type in on the site, go type in GLLK, go over to the Gold Lakes board, Gold Lakes Corp, and pull up this press release. You'll see the link to that investor brief. All right, so they let's see what else is over here. So there's an effect. That was basically the effect, I believe, is regards to this corporate update. So I pulled up this 424B3 that's over here. So I'm going to pull up their business. So Gold Lakes Corp, formerly known as TNX Maverick Corp, was incorporated on January 18, 2017 in the state of Nevada under the name Sigma Resources. The company was organized for the purpose of acquiring and developing mineral properties. It says we do not have any subsidiaries or affiliated companies. As of July 14, 2016, we had 34,215,645 pre-split shares of common stock issued and outstanding. On July 18, 2016, we effected a 3-for-1 forward stock split of all our issued and outstanding shares of common stock, such that post-split, we had 102,646,934 shares outstanding. So on January 13th, 2017, we filed a certificate of amendment with the Nevada Secretary of State, increasing the number of authorized shares of common stock from 500 million to 2 billion, and authorizing the issuance of 1 million shares of preferred stock, par value 0.001 per share. On January 17, 2017, pursuant to a resolution approved by the Board of Directors, we filed a certificate of designation with the Nevada Secretary of State designating up to 1 million shares of Series A preferred stocks. The Series A preferred stock is entitled to 2,000 votes per share, is convertible into shares of our common stock at a conversion rate of 2,000 shares of common stock for each share of preferred stock, and is entitled to its liquidation preference equal to the original issue price per share. On January 18, 2017, our Board of Directors approved the issuance of 1 million shares of Series A preferred stock to Flex Mining Limited, a Delaware corporation, in consideration of certain sums owed to Flex under the Flex Agreement, the Flex Addendum, as described in further details below. So it states on March 27, 2017, we filed a certificate of amendment with the Secretary of State, Nevada Secretary of State, increasing the number of authorized shares of common stock from 2 billion to 20 billion, and the number of authorized shares of preferred stock from 1 million to 10 million. As of March 27, 2017, we had 1,132,032,233 shares of common stock and 1 million shares of Series A preferred stock issued and outstanding. So we are an exploration stage mining company engaged in the identification, acquisition, and exploration of metals and minerals with focus on gold mineralization. And our properties are located in Ontario, Canada. We intend to conduct exploration and development programs. All right, so basically, I kind of went over this corporate information is where you're seeing. You remember how you said it seems like a lot of shares are being sold? Well, yeah, that's pretty much that, because they went from, 2 billion to 20 billion with the authorized. So, and then the preferreds went from 1 million to 10 million, and then preferreds have one for 2,000 per. So that's that. All right, so if you have an opinion on the company, feel free to share it on that GLLK board. If you're looking to do more due diligence, just do so by going over to that board, and you'll see the company profile, the time and sales, the recent news, the filings, the financials, the buy rating. And that is that, David.
All right, 0004 will need to break 0006 to confirm a possible run. Resistance at 0006, 0009, 0012, support at 0002. Too much selling, question mark. Play it for what it is, in my personal opinion. But like I said, you're going to need to get above that 0006 for any fireworks after that. GLLK, if you follow this one, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. We'd appreciate it. And share this video with all other investors on different social networks and different stock message boards. The more you share it, the more it's requested, the more we cover it. If you have a hot stock you'd like to share with us as well, let us know about it over at investorshangout.com/live.